In this video, we will learn about how we can create the formulas in MS Excel. So here we have two values. First, that is sale, and then second, that is expense. So first, how we get the profit? What we have to do? 180 minus 150 means sale minus expense. So normally click here where you get a profit. Formula start with the is equal to. Just type is equal to. Now it's 180. Where is the 180? That is B and then 2. Here you have to write B2 and then minus. Second value we have a B and then 3. Here you have to write B3 and then enter. In case you are confused with the B2 where you have to write a B3, then what you have to do? Let's do with the second, with the C. So what you have to do? Normally start with the is equal to and then use the control button which you have on a keyboard. Press control and then click your first value, that is C2. Here you get a C2, right? And then minus sign, again control and then second value, then you get a C3 and then enter the. So here you get the profit without typing a B2, B3 or C2, C3. So how you can copy? Normally click here where you already created the formulas. Normally I am click here, just select it and then you can see here is equal to C2 minus C3 in formula bar. So what you have to do? Whenever you go to this sign and then you get a plus, normally select and then drag it, then you get the, just copy the formulas. And then how we can create a total or a sum formulas? Start with the is equal to and then type sum, S-U-M, sum. Now start the bracket and then you can write B2, but whenever we are working with on a big sheet, then it's not easy to write B2, B3. Then what you have to do? Normally select all the cells. So here we get B2 to E2 and then bracket close, then enter. This is our total. What we have to do? Is equal to sum, bracket start, select all the cells and then bracket close, enter. So how you can copy? Normally select your formula cell and then drag it. Fine, okay. And next, how we can calculate the average? So for average, what we first what we need? Total and then total values. So click on your average cell, start with the is equal to. Now you have to select the total value cell and then divided by how many values you have? Jan, Feb, March and April, means 4 and then enter. This is the average. You can copy with the drag option. Otherwise let me show you again. Is equal to, select your total value divided by 4 and then enter. Is equal to, select your total cell divided by 4. So you can try it. It's very easy.